Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access your WhatsApp app. Now you're gonna go back, and here in the chat section all of your chats you're gonna find all of the chats right over here. Right, for you to simply delete a message, first access a particular chat, and now you're gonna find those messages that you have sent to that person. Right, if you want to delete them, you're gonna go ahead, long press on that particular message and tap on the delete icon on top. It will show you three options called delete for everyone, delete for me, and cancel. And also delete media received this chat from the device gallery. If you have tapped on it, if this video is saved in your gallery, and if you delete it, it will also be removed from your gallery as well. Now simply tap on this option called delete for everyone, and now that message is deleted, and it will be deleted for the user that you sent and for you as well. Again, long press on a particular message, go tap on its delete option, tap on delete for everyone, and good to go. That is how you can do it. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys on our next video.